Hi, my name is Madhvi Zodpurkar, and I have the blessed opportunity to be Avanti Zodpurkar's sister, as well as sister in love. And also, I'm a behavioral scientist. I have an MS in organizational development and knowledge management from the U.S. and in leadership development. And I can say, having taught children for the past 15 years on the Gita, that this is an extraordinary display of artwork, of creativity, of a wonderful method to knowledge transfer to children about the Maria Montessori method. It's very experiential, very hands-on, and you can see that Amanti's created a very safe learning environment for her students so that they can express their creativity in the way that they want. So she's created a lot of psychological safety. You can see them blossoming in different ways. Every teacher has an opportunity to express and design the way she wants to. She gives the right amount of hands-on experience as well as framework for the teachers. So there's guidance, but there's also freedom. So I highly encourage anybody that's looking for a career beyond what they're doing, and teaching is such a fulfilling role to play. It's a powerful role to play, and Avanti is doing a powerful job creating kings and queens in the teaching realm. So thank you so much. It was a wonderful experience.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time.